Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Urvashi Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication from Jagannath University, Jaipur. In today's session, we'll be focusing on the writing process. Writing process aims of writing program that focuses on making the writing process simple and easy to remember. The three main steps in writing by relating them to the colors of the traffic light, red, yellow and green. By green light, we mean that write a topic sentence. Yellow light, slow down, give reason and details of fact, use a transition. Red light, stop, explain, give an example. Again, green light, remind the reader of your topic, which means going back to the topic. Composition or writing is a process. You have to go through the different steps of this process before you reach the final product. The different steps are as follows: assessing the writing situation, planning, reading, rough writing, proofreading or editing or revising, and final draft. Assessing the writing situation. This involves analyzing the following: a topic. A clear interpretation and understanding of the topic is the first step. Focus on the key words of this. Then identify the purpose. This refers to your aim behind writing. That is, you are writing to inform, persuade, argue, describe, narrate, compare, contrast, evaluate, analyze, entertain, motivate, etc. See audience. Clearly analyze and understand your readers. This is important in guiding you in your selection of material, vocabulary, style, tone, and attitude. D. Tone. Clearly decide for the correct tone you will adopt in your writing. Tone refers to the voice of the writer. Tone will depend on the audience, subject matter, purpose, and domain of writing. Second is planning. Writing is similar to constructing something. So first you need to plan your writing. Following things are done in planning stage, generating ideas. When your mind is blank, you can use the following techniques to come up with ideas. Like brainstorming, which is an intense and free thinking on the subject. Jot down points, ignoring its relevance or importance. Scanning brain for prior knowledge, it is generally done in a group. Clustering, this is different from brainstorming in three ways. It's specific, it is not done in group, it focuses on thinking. What you do in clustering is you write the topic in the center of the page and then you jot down the ideas related to the topic, and then you get a clear aspect on what all are the different angles or different elements that can constitute or help you in writing your piece. Free writing. Free writing means writing without keeping in mind any grammatical errors, punctuations or spelling. You just write things related to the topic or whatever comes to your mind when you are thinking about writing on a particular angle related to a topic. Then there can be a discussion amongst the fellow beings to come up with the ideas on which you can write. Searching for ideas. Searching for ideas, read books, newspapers, separate relevant information, take notes while reading, and organize your points that you have jotted down. Reading. Reading helps in getting more ideas, vocabulary, sentence structure, etc. Add new information to your outline, revise and finalize it. Writing. Once your final outline is ready, start writing, ignoring grammatical and organizational concern. Focus on free expressions of ideas. Proofreading. Proofreading helps you to check for grammatical errors, structural errors, and organizational mistake. It also helps you to keep a check on the clarity, unity, and coherence of what you have written, which means logical sequencing of the ideas, so that the write-up looks clean, neat, coherent, and logical in its appearance. Once everything is done, the final draft is ready after you have proofread it, edited it, and now it is ready to be submitted as a final draft for publication. So in this session, we studied about writing process. So writing process involves a number of steps. First, a good planning needs to be done, which means the writer must understand the purpose, the audience, and the tone of writing. Once it is done, you can go in for free writing, generate ideas, discuss your ideas, and come up with a piece. Now, before submitting the piece for the final publication, it is important that the piece is checked, proofread for errors and spelling errors, grammatical errors, structural errors, and for accuracy, because this write-up helps in building the credibility of the organization and you as a writer. So always make sure that while you're submitting your final draft, it is proofread and it is free from errors, and it also matches the understanding and the expectation what the readers have from you. Thank you.